So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to make new folder on Drive. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Drive app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and make sure you have logged into your account with your Gmail ID. So let's open it. Here you can see the plus icon, click on it. And you can see the options called folder. Tap on it and you can write a name of a folder which you want and tap on create. Here your folder is created. Tap on it and click on plus icon, then click on upload. Here tap on one photos or videos which you want and tap on done. Here your video is uploading. Wait for a few seconds until it gets full. And here our video is moved to a new folder. Tap on it and see your video. So that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.